Hi, I'm Carmen from NAC. Today I'm going to talk to you about Ultimate Treatment. Ultimate Treatment is designed for dry, damaged or chemically treated hair. It's sulphate and paraben free and is designed to improve condition, rebuild and repair while increasing shine. This is my beautiful model Madison, and the product is available in a 150ml tube, which is in this box, or in a sachet trial size. For the demonstration today, I'm using a bowl and brush, as I would in a salon situation. However, you can use the treatment in the shower, cleanse the hair, shampoo, apply, leave on for 1 minute, rinse, and you'll get instant results. The opulent ingredients of silk amino acids, keratin, and argan oil envelope the hair and infuse dry, chemically treated, damaged hair with moisture, improving elasticity, protein to help strengthen and rebuild, transforming that dry, damaged hair to luscious, silky locks.